And this is where companies fall all the time, is not having a good clean handoff. It's like running a relay race, but instead of having a choreographed handoff, you're throwing the baton down the field hoping somebody will catch it. We have something called process architecture workshops. So we help the team and we identify the key stakeholders in the process to identify what their data needs are from a reporting and visibility standpoint. Then we'll start to break down processes beyond the data model workshop into pre-sales. And then again, like I said, pre-sales being divided into what's marketing's function to drive inbound leads and what's the process to qualify them and communicate with them and quickly disposition them along that process. At the same time, understanding what outbound looks like and workshopping that with the team. And then, what's the handoffs? Because handoffs are critical points in a buyer's journey. And this is where companies fall all the time, is not having a good clean handoff. It's like running a relay race, but instead of having a choreographed handoff, you're throwing the baton down the field hoping somebody will catch it.
Yeah.
And what I always say is that baton is the client, it's the prospect. They need to have a seamless journey around that track. And that's what these architecture workshops are designed to do. So we'll go from what we'll call a pre-sales workshops into sales pipeline workshops. And this could be direct sales. This could be channel partner sales. It could be, e-commerce and how are we tracking those sales? There could be renewals and upsells and cross-sells and multiple different sales processes for different companies, and unpacking, what does that look like? What are they doing today? And then how can we enhance that by, introducing best practice, introducing some of the tools they may not be aware of, and then driving that along to post-sales. All along working with the key stakeholders to get buy-in during those architecture workshops so they can champion the process. And at the end, ultimately driving alignment and adoption with those teams by having everybody aligned throughout that entire process, from the concept of where we want to go to the journey on how we got there, to now rolling it out and having champions help us with the adoption piece.